Okay, so it's an exciting new delivery, and yes, it is an iPhone. I've got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I really do like, but I have ordered a new one, and this is the iPhone 14 Plus. And the reason I got this one is because I needed the storage. So thought it would be just nice to do it together because I'm excited to see what this looks like. Right, so here it is. It's a lovely purple, more like lilac colour. So there you go. And it actually doesn't come with the charger, but it comes with the cable, because I had to question this because I know that Apple has stopped doing chargers now. But so just to be clear, when you do get your Apple phones, they don't come with the charger, but they do come with the cable. So, okay, let's get this on. Let me see the camera. I'm interested to see how this is going to work. So there we go. I've got it on.
And it will just take a few minutes to activate your phone.
And to go with the iPhone that I've just now set up, I'm actually using the phone now. So this is the first time actually using this camera. I've got a few accessories that I wanted to show you and leave some links down below. So here is a tripod. It's a flexible tripod for your phone. So I'm going to try this out. I also got a screen protector. And I think there's 4 in here. And they also have some protectors for the camera as well. And that was from Amazon. I can leave a link down below because I can definitely recommend these if you're not using protectors, because they are a lifesaver. So next I got a screen protector, and I want to show you this because I'm definitely into all things nautical. So this lovely screen protector I found on Amazon with these beautiful sailboats, and I just think it's not too much. It's just very simple, and yeah, I think it looks really nice, and I love the colours. So I wanted a pop socket because I always get one of these, and it just helps me hold my phone. Everybody's got something that they like, and this works for me. And I got the anchor, and I just thought that would look lovely, and it's in keeping with the theme. So I'm going to be using this on the phone because it would definitely help me hold my phone. And then I got this, and I've never got one of these before, and this is actually a wireless microphone, and I've heard that you don't need to do anything, even any connection, any wires, anything. It just simply plug the little back part into your iPhone here, and then it just connects automatically. So I can't wait to, and it's very inexpensive, so I definitely recommend it if it is good anyway. But yeah, I'm going to try this out and see if this is good, because I do have problems sometimes. I think it's maybe the way I hold my phone when I'm recording, that it sometimes muffles up my microphone. So that will be very handy if it works. So those are all the accessories that I've got. And now I'm just going to put them on the new phone and see how that all looks. So let me first get the tripod out and see how that looks. So it's like this, and it's flexible. And then inside it should have the attachments. So there you go. So obviously that's got that flexibility. So hopefully that will hold the new phone in place. It's actually got this control. It's not an attachment. It actually has a control here. So this will help you when you want to record. And I've never had one like that before, so that's going to be very interesting. So basically you can put this way, and there's also a screw on this side. So if you want it up like this, you can screw it that way. So I like that. It gives you both options. So it's not it's not the best tripod in the world, but it's just going to do those little handy jobs that I need doing. So that's going to be great. And now I'm going to be putting on my screen protector. So let's get this open. In here, you can see that I did say it's got the camera one protector, and it's also got these protectors as well. So I'm going to take one. These are always tricky things to do, but you've got to do it. You've got to do it for the... So I'm just going to get the dust off. Preferably, I think I'll turn this phone off at the moment, because when you turn it off, the screen is black, and then it just helps me see where everything is. Just give it a right down. So if we just take this off here, so then we've got our screen protector on. Now I want to put my case on. I feel more protected. Actually, I forgot to put the camera protector on. So I've got this here. Okay, so that's going on. So that was easy enough. And then we're going to put my case on. Oh, lovely. Perfect. I like that. And I like the way that looks. And then I'm just going to put my pop socket on. So let's get this out. And then I will put that, I think I'll just put that in the center, which is here, and in between those bolts. And then I've got that to hold my phone, which is exactly how I hold it now, and I find that works best for me. And let's have a look at the microphone. So let's get this microphone open. And if this does work, I think this would be better. I think we'll use it in the future. So let's have a look. It's got a USB to charge it. And, okay. Oh, it's a really, I'm looking for a big bulky thing. And it's actually this really tiny thing here. And I think that's for the connection. Almost. That's where you charge it here. So you can see that, where you would charge it. Right, so this is what's meant to go on your phone. So let's turn my phone on now. There is an attachment for your iPhone, so that's it. So it attaches onto that. That goes into your phone. You can see there are things there that actually says, we can see the microphone sign and also the headset. And then at the back of your, let me just turn it off. Just a hold press. So at the back of your microphone, there is an on button. So just press that, and then you'll see this green light. Attach it to yourself, like so, and you'll hear me so much clearly. So let's do that now. Or just showing maybe the microphone here. I'm just going to step back from the camera. I'm going to step back from the camera at arm's length, and I'm hoping that you can hear me clearly because I'm speaking directly into the microphone. I'm just going to step back from the camera. I'm going to step back from the camera at arm's length, and I'm hoping that you can hear me clearly because I'm speaking directly into the microphone. So I'm going to be leaving the phone in the other room by the clock. I'm going to go into the kitchen with just my microphone on, and then I'm just going to talk and see how that sounds, the microphone, using it from another room while I'm recording in another room, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm just going to stand here and I'm going to put my microphone on, and then somebody is going to take my phone with the other attachment showing a clock, and I'm just going to talk through my microphone here in a different room. I'm in the kitchen now, and we're going to see how that sounds. So this is a lovely clock, actually. I love this clock because it's a very antique clock. And also I love this clock because this is the clock that I got from the Magic Story shop when I was visiting Solihull in the West Midlands. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I would definitely be leaving links down below for all of the accessories that I used for my iPhone. And I can definitely recommend that microphone. I thought it was really great, and I hope that you enjoyed the demonstration of that. I hope to see you all again in another video.